Did you know that bone erosion is a silent danger inside your body? It is real, but you can fight osteoporosis right from your kitchen. It is all about the food science. Today, we are unlocking a secret health hack featuring two extraordinary superfoods you have probably never heard of, Jujube and Oleaster. Let us look at the exact physics of bone health. Now, let us dive deep into the fascinating food science behind these two superfoods. Your bone structure relies heavily onto primary minerals, calcium and phosphorus. Jujube provides these in an incredibly high concentration. When you consume Jujube, you are directly delivering the raw building blocks your skeletal system needs to stay strong and flexible. But taking calcium is only half the battle. Your body needs to actually absorb it. This is where Oleaster becomes your ultimate kitchen hack. Oleaster is packed with magnesium, which acts as the exact key that activates vitamin D. Without it, calcium cannot be locked into your bones. So, what is the best routine? Experts recommend using this remedy as a 1-month cycle, repeating it 2 or 3 times a year. Consume it daily for 3 weeks, then give your body a 1-week break. Stick to 3 pieces of Jujube or 1 teaspoon of Oleaster powder. However, because these are biologically active, they can be dangerous for some people. Number 1. Diabetes. Both dried Jujube and Oleaster have high natural sugars. Eating them without strict portion control can cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar. Number 2. Upcoming surgeries. You must completely stop consuming Jujube at least 2 weeks before any surgery, as it can lower blood sugar and interfere with anesthesia. Number 3. Chronic constipation. While both fruits are packed with healthy fiber, they have a very low water content. If you consume them without drinking a massive amount of water, they can slow down your digestive system completely. To wrap it up, these superfoods are a gift from nature for your bones, but respect their power and always consult your doctor before making them a daily routine.